welcome to Lisa B Fitness. Don't know what that was. This is my first ever video for YouTube. How exciting. Today we are doing a Pilates rep-based challenge. I just think Pilates and interval and Tabata and rep-based challenges complement each other so well, and they just work amazing together. So today we're doing a 14-minute workout. It's going to be a full body workout. Repeat it twice if you want to do a little bit longer. If you want to do 28 minutes, you could even go 3 times. You'll be super sweaty by then. So let's get started. Everything can be modified. I will go through modifications as we go. Make sure your belly button is to spine, but let's get started. I'm going to start my timer. So the first exercise is reverse plank to boat. So we've got 14 exercises, so around 14 minutes. So let me just start my timer. Oh, that's quite loud. So make sure you've got water, make sure you're hydrated. I've got my non-slip socks on. They are always good to have. So reverse plank to boat. So legs are straight, lift the hips, make sure you're gazing down, belly's in, hips come down, into reverse boat. Make sure you don't collapse the back, spine is nice and long, belly's in. Let's go again. So we're just going to go through these 2 exercises for a minute. Pull the belly in, especially in this half boat. Keep breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Get the calf muscles parallel to the floor. We're halfway through this minute. Remember to breathe, pull the belly in, make sure you're looking, kind of gazing down, make sure you don't let the head fall back. So really don't sink into the shoulders, into that reverse plank. Keep the chest nice and open. Arms are straight, hands, fingers can be facing forward or turn them around if that's more comfortable. There's no right and wrong. Oh, there's our first minute. So we've got plank to down dog. So another minute. So in 3, 2, 1, come up into a plank, wrists under shoulders, and then just push back into down dog. So belly's in, imagine touching the chest towards the thighs, coming into plank again. Make sure the shoulders come over the wrists. So we're just going to go for this for a minute. So I'm going to be uploading some beginner workouts. I'm also going to be uploading some more challenging videos as well, some longer videos. And remember to breathe here, don't hold the breath, especially when we find something a little bit challenging. We tend to hold the breath and tense other parts of the body. Try not to do that. Try to really keep breathing. Sometimes your hands slip on the mat. I hate that. I hate it when that happens. 7 seconds. Squeeze the glutes here as well. Pull the belly in and come out of that one. So the next exercise is mountain climbers. So a minute of mountain climbers after that little upper body warm up is going to feel quite challenging. But it's always good. These things are always good. So nice and slow. We're not doing a real cardio session here. We're not moving both legs at a time. You're just moving one knee at a time, bringing the knee towards the chest. Again, pull the belly in. Keep the chest nice and open. Keep pushing away from the mat through the arms. Don't sink into the shoulders here. Keep breathing. Tummy muscles are in. So you should be really feeling quite a little bit of heat in the shoulders here. Definitely upper body going on. We're only halfway there. Oof. I feel like I hope you're still with me. I hope you're not just sitting on the sofa and having a cup of tea and a piece of cake now. I hope that you're doing this with me. You might be just sitting around having a cup of tea. I don't mind. I really don't mind. But maybe you might get up and do a little bit with me. 3 seconds. And down. Next exercise is fire hydrant. So really into the glutes. We're going to do a minute on each side. So come into 4-point kneeling. Pull the belly in. Knee out to the side. And don't let your body tilt too much here. Again, don't let the arms bend. Don't sink into the shoulders. Pull the belly in. So you should be really starting to feel this in your butt. If you want to improve your glute strength, I will be doing a butt focused workout. That's going to be uploaded pretty soon as well in the coming weeks. I'm going to try and upload 1 or 2 videos a week and trying to really keep it a lot of variety. I think the minute you're just doing the same routine over and over again, you just get really bored and you stop doing it. So variety is the key, and keeping yourself challenged. The minute there's no challenge, you just, to be honest, you just stop doing it. 10 seconds break maybe, just stretch back, stretch out the arms a little bit. Breathe. Let me turn around. Let me be super professional and turn around. So a minute on the other side. Knee out to the side. And we've got crunches next, so we've got some nice little ab work next. So even just 14 minutes, it can definitely make a difference. If you're just short on time, these 14 minutes can just benefit you. You'll definitely feel like you've worked just because of putting the interval section in, and a minute on each exercise as well. It can just keep you challenged, feel a little bit of burn in the muscles. We've got 12 seconds to go, 12 seconds, and then we're going to abs. 3, 2, 1. Okay, crunches. So breathing's really, really important here. So fingertips at the temples or back of the head, elbows stay nice and wide. Take an inhale, exhale, lift. Inhale back, exhale, lift. And really pull the tummy muscles in. No strain in the neck or general upper body. This is ab. You should be feeling this in your abs. My abs are getting a little bit of a shake here. It's actually a lot more challenging to talk and do the exercises than I thought. Sometimes I didn't really think of that. Maybe I should have done a little narration over the top. That's something I need to think about in the future, but I quite like the whole, just doing it real, keeping it real, not maybe having it too perfect, because no one's perfect. These workouts are not going to be perfect. We've all got our little weaknesses and strengths. 5 seconds. And then we are going to dead bug. One of the best damn exercises you can do for your abs. Never underestimate the dead bug. Let me say that again, never underestimate the dead bug. So arms up towards the ceiling, palms facing each other. Float one leg up at a time, pull the belly in. Opposite arm, opposite leg, lengthen. Inhale to lengthen, exhale in. Opposite side, inhale, lengthen, exhale in. So you should be holding your tummy muscles in the whole time throughout these exercises. Don't use momentum, don't let gravity take your arm and leg back. Use the muscles to bring it in and extend it out. Breathe in, use the breath. Inhale, extend, exhale in. Pull the belly in, don't let the lower back arch off the mat. Keep the lower back pressed down into the mat the whole time. So I'm getting hungry, I'm not going to lie. I filmed this when I should really be eating my lunch. I've done it all wrong. I'm starting to think about food and rest. Single leg drops are next. So again, make sure the lower back doesn't come off the mat. So taking a breather, inhale, exhale, pull the belly in, one leg at a time. Take the legs up towards the ceiling. Turn the toes slightly out, heels in, legs just as straight as you can. And then lower one leg, bring it back up. Only one leg moving at a time, not both legs. Abs are in the whole time, don't forget about the abs. Oh my God, I'm still thinking about food. What will I eat? That is the question. I don't know, tell me what you're eating. I can hear a buzzing sound. There's a fly. Oh my God, perfect. There's a fly in my first video. I wonder if I can edit the fly out, I don't know. Keep pulling the tummy muscles in. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Try not to be gripping in the hands here. Oh, we've got another ab exercise next, you'll be pleased to hear. I think I'll probably go mad and have a banana. I'll go crazy and just have a banana, maybe a cup of tea, I don't know. And then relax. And maybe a little salad. Food. Okay, obliques are next. So no rocking in the hips. Don't let the body rock from side to side. Bring the head and shoulders up. Cross, lift the shoulder up and over towards that knee. Make sure you're not just closing the elbows. Don't cheat. Don't just do that. Don't just do that. That's not going to do anything for you. Lift the shoulder up and over. Don't be that person that cheats. I feel like I'll be able to see you. I will sense it if you're cheating on this oblique movement. Pull the belly in. Lift the shoulder. Keep the elbows nice and wide. Exhale as you lift. Inhale, center. Exhale, lift. Even as you come up, have a little look at your belly button. Pull it in that little bit more. Don't let the belly pop open. Don't relax the abs at any time. You should be feeling this in the abs. Make sure you're looking towards your legs and not the ceiling. You'll just put a lot of strain on your neck. It won't be good. It won't be fun. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to some upper body. Let's do press-ups, just for the fun of it. So press-ups for a minute. So a lot of arms are next. So hands wider than your shoulders, take your knees back, cross the ankles over. You can do full push-ups by all means. Inhale down, exhale up. Elbows should be coming out at an angle, not directly out to the side, not directly back. We're not doing triceps at the moment, we're just doing traditional push-ups. Keep the neck nice and long, keep looking at the mat. I know it's tempting to look around to see what's going on, but keep looking at the mat. Pull the belly in here, support the back. Should be feeling your arms here. Biceps, a little bit in the triceps, chest, shoulders. We've got less than 20 seconds. I feel like I'm pushing my head to the mat to cheat a little bit. Again, let's not do that. Keep the shoulders over the wrists. 3 seconds. And rest. Take this opportunity, maybe have a drink of water. So the next exercise, commando planks. Commando planks after those press-ups are not funny. Let's just go for it. Right, into plank. One forearm down, other forearm down. I like to take my legs a little bit wider here. Try not to rock the body too much. So if we go down with the right, left, back up with the right. Then down with the left, back up with the left. So keep alternating. Squeeze the glutes. Again, try not to let the body tilt too much. There will be a little bit because that's just how your body's naturally moving, but keep the abs engaged. We've got less than 30 seconds left. And then, just to be extra challenging, just to be extra crazy, we're going to do a plank hold. But it's just a minute. It's just a minute. 4 seconds. Cheated. Oh my God, let's just have some water. Let's have a little water break. Minute plank hold. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Remember, you can drop one knee, you can have both knees down. Make sure you're not like this. That's not a modified plank. I'm sad to tell you, it's not. Sometimes I see people doing that in my class. It's not a modified plank. That's a modified plank. So, pull the tummy muscles in. This is the time when you push your hands into the mat, lift the chest up, lift the kneecaps, push the heels towards the back of the room behind you if you're in a room. Pull the belly in, should be shaking a little bit. This is the 3rd minute of arms and upper body. 20 seconds left. Remember, the world record plank is, I don't know, I could be wrong, but I think it's something like 12 hours or something, I'm not sure. So get this in perspective, it's just 1 minute. 5 seconds. And done. So we've got double leg drops. Oh, we've got 3 exercises left. Double leg drops. Definitely make sure your back doesn't lift off the mat. Lift the legs. So inhale down. Exhale up. Belly's in. Pull the belly in. Lower to the point where you feel your abs shaking, but you don't feel that like the lower back is coming off the mat. Try and keep the legs fairly straight. And definitely as you lower the legs, I can really feel my abs shaking. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Keep the face relaxed. Sometimes we find something challenging and then we're clenching the jaw or sort of frowning. Try not to do that. Try to keep everything relaxed and focus on the tummy muscles here. Belly button is in. Lower back stays down. Less than 10 seconds. And then back to glutes. So 4-point kneeling, so wrists under shoulders. We'll do 30 seconds on each side. So left leg back, lift it up and lower. Left leg stays straight the whole time. You just tap the toe and lift. So really squeeze your glute. Abs are in, arms are nice and straight. Really keep the tummy muscles pulled in and really squeeze the butt here. Really get that mind-body connection. Leg down, change legs. So only 30 seconds on each. I've let you off a little bit here. The butt burner workout is going to be a lot worse than this. The glutes are going to be on fire for about 3 days. But it's going to be amazing. You're going to feel so good. The butt is going to feel amazing after it. Pull the belly in, straighten your arms. You might have started to bend the arms a little bit here. And squeeze the glute. And relax. So we've now got travelling push-ups. Last exercise, travelling push-ups. Just that little bit harder than standard push-ups. So you start centre, right arm out to the side, left hand across, lower down, inhale. Exhale up, right hand back to centre, left hand out, inhale down, exhale up. Right out, right back, left out. And remember to breathe, no cheating, keep weight on the arms. If this is easy, it's because you've brought your body back and you haven't got enough weight on your arms. So just bear that in mind. Again, keeping the belly in. Ten seconds. Keep going. You're nearly there. You're nearly at the end of this workout. Oh, and relax. Let's pause that so it doesn't keep going off. Oh, thank you for joining me at Lisa B Fitness. I really hope you enjoyed that first workout. Remember, repeat it again if you want to burn a little bit more calories and work a little bit harder. But 14 minutes, you should have felt your heart rate come up. You should have felt like you've created a little bit of heat in the body. You could head over and do my stretch video, which I'm just about to film. It will be uploaded as well. So remember to subscribe. Sending you good vibes. That looks a bit wrong. Good vibes. That doesn't look right. Good vibes. Sending you good vibes. And yeah, I hope you have a beautiful day. See you soon for some more Pilates.